Wow, good day, good day. Welcome from Milldale in Derbyshire. So, as you can see, the weather is really lovely. And this is the first time where I think I'm happy that I will fail the challenge. So, yes, it's amazing. This week's challenge is rain, and yeah, gladly reported that I'm gonna fail because it's sunny. Look at that sun, it's just amazing. As you can see, really happy. We are gonna do a quick trail. I think it's an hour and a half, something like that, and we're gonna follow the rule of thirds. Right? Is the rule of thirds worth following? Well, the internet is split when it comes to the rule of thirds. Some people say, why be chained to this rule? Explore your creativity. And other people say, well, if it worked for, the older generation and, the best photographers out there, then maybe this is the recipe. I am between. So I think the rule of thirds is a very strong rule, but at the same time, like every rule, it's worth breaking. Oh my God, it's sunny, but the wind, it's so powerful. I don't even know if this audio is gonna be great for this video, so yeah. Right, so look at the pretty sheep. Look, just amazing. And with this in our mind, I think we have the first shot. So I'm keeping the camera angle very low because of the wind. Hopefully you can see me. And if you know me and if you followed these videos, you know that my favorite is 17 to 40. Whoa, the wind is so powerful. So 17 to 40 f4, really great lens. Pretty windy. Woof. Right, as I was saying, for the most part you don't need wellies, but here you do. And we have a first casualty. Oh, this is pretty deep. This river is not that big, but because of the rain that we got for the past few weeks, this is just massive. Anyway, so far so good. I think we have 1 or 2 images already, so I'm happy. I'm happy. And it's a bit cold. Hello, little sheep. Ah, come on, don't be afraid. Hello. There are some people coming, and that's really cool. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but there we have a lot of haze. Right, so I found a lonely subject there. It's basically a tree that stands alone on a cliff. I'm trying to see if I can have like a quick shot. It's not gonna have a lot of details, but it's nice. What is the rule of thirds? Basically, if you split your screen into a grid with 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines, the points where the lines intersect, people are saying that if you place your object there, it's gonna have the most impact, right? So basically I'm here. Normally I am in a rule of thirds position, right? Because I'm on a side where one of the points intersect. Hopefully. Try to move a bit more inland. Take a few more shots. All that I want to do with these videos is encourage people in going out, being in the nature, taking photos. Doesn't matter if it's good or bad, ugly. The most important thing is to go out there and enjoy life. So if you like this type of content, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button to spread the word. And on the same note, you don't need a fancy camera or a fancy lens to come out and enjoy nature. If you want to document your travels, a simple phone is enough. Almost slipped there. Right, so it's time to rest a bit, and I found another shot, a very nice farmhouse, really cool, lovely. And I think while we get a bit rested here, because wow, that was a long hill, we can announce the challenge for next week, which is photos with your mobile. So what I'm gonna do is going out there, taking my phone with me and snap some photos. And that's a great idea because it comes with what I was telling you earlier, where you can enjoy going out only with your phone. So let's have a bit of water and move on. Oh, this is a well-maintained. Oh, really nice. Really, really nice. This is a nice found. For kids that were born in the 80s, early 90s, will recognize this type of photos as Windows 98. Yeah, I think 98 was Bliss or XP. Don't remember exactly. So I am a sucker for lonely trees. So I will put you down and I'll take a photo of that tree. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me, but I think down there it's our car park. Almost there, which means that this video is coming to an end. So I'd like to thank you for watching. Thank you for following me so far in this journey in learning photography. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notified. I know that sometimes YouTube forgets about it, so yeah. Next week's theme is going to be interesting. We're going to postpone the rain theme until we have some rain, hopefully not soon. And just to remind you, the theme for next week is mobile photography. So take up your mobiles, doesn't matter, iPhone or Samsung or Nokia or whatever you have. If it has a small camera, you can take photos with it. So see you next week.